Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Green. You're tuning into AMTV Alternative Media Television. So let's face some cold hard facts. The United States is at war with Russia. Russia is at war with the United States. What we're seeing in Ukraine with the bank runs, which I reported on earlier, is just a small, minute chess piece in this overall war to integrate the Ukraine into the European Union so that the United States can have control over it through its proxy that makes up the Federal Reserve, the United Nations, and this new world order cartel. This integrated banking bailout system. But it's just one piece. All of this leaks back all the way to Edward Snowden and how he was positioned by Russian mainstream media. And not to say that any of the information that he brought to light isn't true. In fact, it's all true. But also don't kid yourself and don't think for a minute that it wasn't used as pro-Russian propaganda to drive a wedge here in the United States. I believe we're much better for it. I believe that the American people should know the truth. But let's be clear about something, because we are at war. And just like many of you, some of you may remember the Cold War era, the fear of nuclear weapons going off. And, you probably had to run drills in your classroom when you were a child and get under your desk. This is all what we're engaged in right now. But the difference is we actually have an economic collapse melted together in the mix, something that we did not have with the 1970s inflationary period or the Cold War era specifically. This is far worse than anything we've ever seen. This is Great Depression, 1930s era, World War II type scenario, which in my opinion is leading to the physical confrontation and war that the United States is clearly engaging in and taunting Russia at this very moment, seizing key seaports in Ukraine, in Crimea, where Russia hosts. And Russia has great portions of its navy, its Black Sea fleet. Again, all of this about economic war. This is a chess piece and a chess move that the United States is making as an affront to Russia. The question and what we're looking for next is how will Russia counterattack? I mean, even the Olympic Games itself isn't a coincidence. The fact that the Olympic Games have been held in Russia. None of this is a coincidence. This is major superpowers versus the United States. And it's not just Russia, it's bigger than Russia. It's Russia, it's its allies China, it's Iran. It has everything to do with the dollar as the world reserve currency, which in the short run will no longer be the case as the yuan takes over, or a basket of currency takes over. Even the war on Bitcoin right now, the technological war with the shutting down of Mt. Gox, and what I believe to be a government attack of digital currency. I mean, of course they want to discredit digital currency. I mean, the more problems Bitcoin has, the more attacks and the more exchanges that go down, the more problems only prove what a real viable threat Bitcoin is to the United States government and the Federal Reserve in general, using everything in its power, whether or not it's integrated and covert, really overt if you're paying attention, hedge fund, In-Q-Tel, that is invested in Bitcoin and invested in PayPal and invested in all of these activities that it sees as a threat to its sovereignty, to its rule, to the Federal Reserve, creating paper out of nothing, really meaningless issuance backed by not gold, not silver, not even digital cryptography. Nothing. All of this is fully integrated into the web. This war on information, this soon-to-be physical conflict. I mean, you even look at technology in general with companies like Google, soon to become the largest defense contractor to the United States. Not only do they have a monopoly and total and absolute power and control over technology and search engine optimization and ads and maps, now they have power over the war machine that the United States is, merging with federal government. The next war to be fought by machines. It's one of the reasons why Chuck Hagel says that they're going to downsize the United States military to pre-World War II levels, because you don't need people anymore. All you need is T2s running around with an autonomous presidents deciding who, what, when, and where to kill. This is about stripping away our rights. It's about creating a defunct economy. It is about destroying our currency. It's about bankrupting and transferring the wealth from the middle class. Even Obamacare is integrated into this web. A giant tax on the American public that is costing some American families, a family of four, anywhere in the neighborhood of $700 to almost $1,000 a month. I mean, an actual mortgage payment. These are the taxes being implemented on the American people. And all of this gearing up and integrated for this and pushing towards this global confrontation, this global war. World superpowers, Russia, China, India, Iran, and others versus a declining economically, spiritually, United States of America that only exists in its current form with stimulus, bailouts, quantitative easing, and 0% interest rates into infinity. I reported on a story earlier that in the real housing market, for example, just one example of the real data, mortgage applications are at their lowest rate in over 2 decades. That's the real situation that we're in. That's the real reality check. This is where we are all headed. This propaganda war, soon to be a physical confrontation. All of it leaks back. All of it is integrated. All of these pieces fit together. They fit into the mold that is the paradigm, that is the control structure that makes up this elite cartel, this oligarchy of international banks, even the banking suicides that I've reported on over the past few weeks, totaling some dozens of mid to high level bankers committing suicide, is all connected to this war. It is all connected to this campaign, and it is against, clearly, the interests of the United States, America, the American people, and the people of the world. Get it out everywhere. Make it viral. I'm Christopher Green, hard-hitting and in your face as usual. Click the link below to support our sponsor. Visit our sponsor, Powerful Products, at powerfulproducts.com right now. Click the link below.